Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be an alternative method to the magic ring, magic circle, or magic loop. I have a video on the original magic ring. I will have it listed up in the eye and down below. The only thing you're going to need to know for this tutorial is how to make a slip knot. I have a video on that and I will have it listed up in the eye and down below. I have already made a little slip knot on my hook right here. Doing so, I have left a very long tail. You're going to want to leave a long tail about 6 inches or so. So we're going to take our slip knot and our tail. We're then going to be working with the tail. We're going to take that tail and we're going to make a loop with it. So you're going to bring the end of it up towards your slip knot, but overlap it. So you're then going to hold the end of it with the hand that you're holding your hook with. You're then going to start working stitches into this little ring. You can work whatever stitches you want, but I'm going to make single crochet stitches. So I'm going to start making my single crochet stitches. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I have all of my single crochet stitches. You're then going to take the end, the tail that we had left, and you're going to pull it away from the center, and that is going to cinch up your circle. And then you would simply slip stitch into the first stitch that you had made to complete your circle. And that is what it is going to look like. So that is going to be the alternative to the magic ring, magic circle, or magic loop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.